Hello guys, welcome back to the Civil Engineering YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. In today's lecture, we are going to solve one numerical problem related to the soil mechanics. So the problem states that a soil sample has a bulk density of 20 kilonewton per cubic meter and water content of 8%. So the bulk density of the soil sample is given and the water content of the soil sample is given to us. And it has been asked that find the dry density of this soil sample. So we have to find out the dry density of this soil sample with a bulk density of 20 kilonewton per cubic meter and with a water content of 8%. So how to find out this? First we have to write the given data. The given data for this problem is that bulk density of the soil sample is 20 kilonewton per cubic meter and the water content is 8%, or when we change this to decimal it is 8 divided by 100, so we got 0.08. It is the water content in decimal. So now to find out the required data, which is the dry density of the soil sample, it is unknown to us. So to find out the dry density, we have to look for the formulas that provide us the relationship between the bulk density, between the water content and dry density, because the only knowns are the bulk density and water content. So we have to look for those formula which have these three parameters. For example, we have this equation. One is gamma dry is equal to GS specific gravity into gamma water into 1 plus E. Now in this equation we don't have wide ratio, we don't have specific gravity, but this is known to us. So we cannot use this equation because we have two unknowns. One is specific gravity, one is wide ratio. But if we use another equation where it is the dry density of the soil sample is equal to the bulk density divided by 1 plus water content. Now in this equation we have the bulk density and the water content of the soil sample, and these both are known to us. We will just simply put the values. So we will find out the dry density. The bulk density is now 20 kilonewton dividing by 1 plus water is 8%, or we can say 0.08 here. So by dividing these values we will get our dry density, which comes out to be 18.5 kilonewton per cubic meter, because the unit of it is kilonewton per cubic meter, because this bulk density was also in the unit of kilonewton per cubic meter, so it should be in the same unit. So this is the way how to find out the dry density of the soil sample in case when the bulk density and the water content are known to us. But in another case, if there is a specific gravity of the soil is known to us, the wide ratio of the soil sample is given to us in the unit weight of the soil of the water, which is always 9.8 kilonewton per cubic meter, that is always known to us. So if these two quantities are known, then we can find out the dry density by using this equation. But here in this problem we have only bulk density and the water content. That's why we use a specific equation for determining the dry density of the soil sample. So hope you guys understood, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. Thank you for watching our video.